Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to hide likes and dislikes on your YouTube videos on your iPhones. Really easy and simple to do. This actually isn't done on the YouTube application, it's actually done on the YouTube Studio application. So you do have to download that application and just sign into it with your account. It's made by YouTube, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. But yeah, once you sign into it, it'll just look like this, the dashboard here. So you just see your analytics, your last video performance, stuff like that. So all I have to do to disable the likes and dislikes on a certain video is you go to the top left on the three lines there, click on the videos, and then you just click on a video you want to disable the likes on. So we'll just click this one for an example. And then you just want to go to the top right corner where the pencil is and click on that. And then if you click on the little settings gear in the square, the next tab over, and you scroll down on this tab here under comments, you'll see the tab for users can view ratings for this video. So if you do want to disable the likes and dislikes on this video specifically, you just want to untack that, and then that will remove people from seeing the likes and the dislikes. It'll still allow them to like and dislike the video, so you will know how much likes and dislikes there are, but it won't show them to the people that watch the videos. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.